Hi, my name is now Dr. Mathew Wright. I've just graduated with a Doctor of Philosophy. The field of study was Biblical Studies, and essentially I was looking at the relationship of the first century temple to capron husbandry, or in other words, the effect the temple had on how sheep and goats were produced in first century Judea and Galilee. I think my inspiration up until this point has always been the lecturers I had at undergrad level, people like Professor Jonathan Draper and Professor Gerald West, who were really formative on myself and my colleagues at that stage at undergrad level, and I think in many ways inspired us to pursue our studies. I hope to continue pursuing research and publication. Whether or not I can pursue an academic career waits to be seen. However, I'm also in full-time ministry. So I believe that my degree is also in the service of the church, and where I'm not publishing or researching, I hope to be able to exercise a teaching vocation in the life of the Anglican Church.